Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, in the previously, we also have extracapsular cataract extraction. So, in the extracapsular cataract extraction, actually, this is the lens and this will be the capsule. Okay, now we give the incision outside the capsule and we remove the lens along with the capsule in extracapsular cataract incision. In extracapsular cataract incision, actually the um, uh, incision given is bigger in size than normally incision. In phacoemulsification, the incision given is very less, whereas in extracapsular cataract extraction, the incision given is very long incision is given, and it is outdated, not performed nowadays.
thank you and thank you for watching.